Hi everybody, happy Monday. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notification buttons so you know when I post a new video. I post videos every Monday now. So today I have on the Gala Lash Couture. So this is a faux mink collection, and it says here that they are exclusive knot-free lash band, weightless volume and curl, soft and seamless. Okay, and I have some great news actually for you people out there who like to shop at Target, you know, Target. Now they're selling Kiss lashes at Target, and Kiss announced that yesterday on their Instagram. So if you like Target, there you go. You don't have to go to Target and then go back to Walmart or go online or, you know, whatever, wherever you get your lashes from, okay? I usually get mine online. And also I would like to mention that in the description I am gonna put a link where to buy these lashes from the Kiss Lash website, and I could possibly earn a small commission if you do click on that link. Help your girl out, okay? Now I haven't worn these long enough to give you like a full review, but we can definitely go in with a close-up and, you know, the eyeliner close-up. I did want to mention that these lashes do bleed, so I want to explain that a little bit more. So if you are not interested in knowing what that means, then in my description I always have the times where you can skip to what you really want to watch. You're welcome. So I'm gonna try my best to explain. I'm more of a visual person, so I'm gonna pull this up so you get, oh my gosh, I have hot Cheeto fingers. So this is what I mean when they bleed. As you can see, I have some leftover lashes, so this is a good thing. I did have to cut this much off on each side, just so you know, just FYI. And I have pretty big eyes. I'm gonna show you right now how it looks like when I put my glue on. And as you can see, it's bleeding through the lashes. Now, why is this important? Because if you are not careful putting on the lash, and I'm gonna give you a little trick on how to put on the glue on the lash, it'll just make your lashes last longer, especially if you don't wear them overnight. You could take them off and clean them off way easier. If it gets into the lashes like that, it's gonna be harder and not last as long. That's why I feel like it's very important if your glue bleeds into your lash. So what you want to do is hold the lash upright like this, and you're gonna put your first layer on the band. Now you might get some still in the lash, but I mean, you can't be perfect, just as long as it's not, you know, fully bleeding through where it's just gonna mess up your lash. So you want to just hold it upright. Even if you put it underneath your lash line or on the top, still hold it this way. You're gonna put another layer once it's a little bit tacky. You're gonna put another layer so that it's on the glue that's already dried and it's not bleeding through as much. It's just gonna give you more life to your lashes. It's gonna be more reusable is what I mean. So always hold it upright. I mean, if you accidentally put it forward, which I've done before, it's totally fine, but just make sure that you just hold it upright when you're putting it on, and then you'll have more life to your lash. So I was expecting them to actually be a little bit somewhat heavy, I guess, but it does actually say that it's not heavy, and because I was thinking like these aren't even heavy. As thick as they are, they're not heavy. Obviously, like I say all the time, I know I'm wearing lashes, but they're not like the triple push-up collection, which are definitely, you can tell, you can feel it, they're kind of heavy because I mean you're piling on more lashes, right? So we're gonna go in with this close-up. So as you can see, they're really cute. I really like this style. They look like a little bit much just looking at just the front of the box, but they're not. They're not really, like when I put them on, they're not as long, but I just love just the style of it. It's just so, I don't know, but they're wispy at the end. It's super cute and thick, you know. We just like thick lashes. So now let's put on the eyeliner. Okay guys, so like I always say that, you know, liner always, you know, gives lashes their oomph, you know. This one, I mean, this one kind of called for a liner, but not really. Like this right here would have been super fine without it. Just my preference, okay? But definitely, I think every lash calls for a liner, if I'm being honest. But some others, you know, really do, and some just, you can just wear it and you don't need anything else. So super cute. I just like liner. Okay, let's go in for that good old close-up. Okay guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go get you guys some. These are cute. So again, down below in the description, gonna put the Kiss website and where you can get it locally, usually Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, and now Target. I'm excited for that, just in case I need something today and not waiting for shipping or something. I'm gonna go to Target. All right guys, so I'll see you guys next Monday. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, bye.